Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing where we've got mostly sunny skies to start the day today, and we'll see some breezy conditions as we go throughout the morning hours and into the afternoon as well, as high pressure is building in behind a cold front that moved through the region earlier this morning. Yesterday across the region we saw temperatures generally running in the upper 50s to low 60s throughout the area. 64 degrees, the warmest reporting station throughout the region this morning at both Richmond and at Norfolk. We hit 62 degrees for our daytime high here yesterday. Overnight last night, temperatures in the 40s and 50s throughout the area. 51 degrees, your overnight low temperature here at Wallops. And we did find regions reaching the mid-40s for overnight lows. Ocean City area seeing their overnight low temperature at 45 degrees. Some precipitation throughout the region for almost everybody yesterday, but that precipitation was very light. We saw some areas of drizzle throughout the area, a trace reported here at Wallops. As of 9 a.m., temperatures warming into the upper 50s and into the low 60s in some cases here at Wallops, up to 60 degrees as of 9 a.m. under sunny skies. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning, we see that freezing level at 6,600 feet, and those winds out of a westerly component as we go from the lower levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. 1,000-foot level reporting winds at 39 knots, and those winds increasing in a hurry as we get up to 25,000 feet. Winds out of a west-southwest direction at 103 knots at that 25,000 foot level. Radar satellite composite showing nothing to be concerned with as far as precipitation in our region this morning. Seeing a little bit of cloudiness moving through the area, currently at around the 6,000 foot level, but just a few clouds at that height level this morning. As we go through the afternoon, we'll start to see a little bit more of an increase, and we'll probably average out partly to mostly cloudy as we go into the afternoon, but abundant sunshine expected to continue this morning with just that slight uptick in cloudiness as we go into the afternoon. Current surface analysis showing that frontal boundary pushing off the east coast this morning, high pressure building in behind it, and as a result we're seeing some gusty northwesterly winds as we go through the morning and afternoon, close to that 25 knot criteria currently, and we'll likely have to go into a wind advisory as we go into the afternoon today, as those winds will probably push right around that 25 knot criteria throughout the afternoon today. Looking at our forecast maps and what we can expect, as you can see by the midday hours, that front pushes farther off the coast, and then tonight high pressure begins to build in a little closer to over our area. As a result, we'll see the winds begin to relax a bit as we go into the overnight hours and into Tuesday as well, where we'll see breezy conditions for Tuesday, but not as high as what we see today, as that high pressure system will be more directly overhead by the time we get into the afternoon hours of Tuesday. We'll also see some warmer weather as well as we go to the midweek portion, especially, where we'll see those unseasonably warm temperatures with daytime highs reaching right around 70 degrees. You can see by Wednesday evening we've got a frontal boundary beginning to take shape out in toward the midwestern portion of the United States. That will bring us a southwesterly flow and really bump up those temperatures as we go into Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Next 24 hours showing the temperature rising into the low to mid 60s today, reaching right around 64 degrees. Again, those gusty westerly winds should gust up to around 25 knots as we go into the afternoon today, so the likelihood will be over 50% that we'll get into a wind advisory sometime this afternoon, and maybe even by the late morning hours today. As we go through the evening hours tonight, we'll see those clouds become partly cloudy overnight with the decreasing cloudiness, and seeing those temperatures falling into the low to mid 40s. 44 degrees the expected low temperature for us early Tuesday morning with mostly clear skies. And then as we go into the day on Tuesday, we'll see slightly breezy conditions. Again, not as windy as what we'll see today. Probably see those winds about 10 miles per hour less than what we'll see throughout the day today. High temperature expected on Tuesday of 61. Tuesday night, see a low of 48. And then for Wednesday, mostly sunny and warmer conditions with that high temperature pushing up to 70 degrees. For the next 7 days, expecting again a warming trend. After that frontal boundary ushers in some cooler air for Tuesday, we'll see a warm up as we go Wednesday and Thursday into the low to mid 70s. Friday and Saturday, we'll see temperatures begin to drop as the front will move through the region. With that cold front, we'll see the chance of some showers, maybe even some thunderstorms. Right now, that timing is a little uncertain. Some of the models are keeping this frontal boundary crossing the region late in the day on Friday. Others are pushing it through late Thursday night into early Friday, but looks like it'll probably be sometime during the day on Friday where we'll see those showers and thunderstorms possibly impacting the region. We'll be able to fine-tune that timing a bit better as we go throughout the next couple of days, but sometime during the day on Friday, look for those chances of showers and thunderstorms. That'll likely be our next chance for any kind of precipitation, as we'll see some dry weather impacting the region once again for the beginning and mid portions of this week. And then, as you can see by the weekend, that front pushes off the coast. We see mostly sunny skies returning to the area, and those temperatures maxing out in the mid-60s. Well, I wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.